How to get a collection calendar. Option 1. Get a custom calendar. To get a custom calendar, type www.halifax.ca/recycle into your browser. Click Get a Custom Calendar. Enter your address in the Please Type Your Home Address field. Click Search. You do not need to set up a reminder at this time. Your custom calendar will be displayed. To print the calendar, click Get a Calendar. Then, click the Print a Calendar option. You can select how many months you would like to display on each page. You can select 12 months, 6 months, or 1 month. When you're ready, click Print. Make sure that your printer is on, has ink and paper, and is connected to your computer. Option 2. Get a collection schedule. To download or print the PDF version of the schedule, type www.halifax.ca/recycle into your browser. Click Get a Collection Schedule. This will display the PDF version of the schedule. You can save a version to your computer by clicking the Download option. Or you can print a version by clicking the Print option. Make sure that your printer is on, has ink and paper, and is connected to your computer before printing. You can also find this information on the Halifax Recycles mobile app or call 311 to request a copy of it be sent to you in the mail. Visit halifax.ca/recycle for more.